The museum it's been open 9 years practically for public, but the collection, because this is my private collection, the collection I started about 42, 43 years ago. And I started from the first car was the one behind me as a Jaguarita. Then give me a courage to continue to make this museum something practically. By the way, this is the only car museum in Malta. So we offer about 90 cars, about 45 bikes and scooters like Lambrettas, Vespas and other stuff like O2 boxes, radio, full-size figures, like Elvis Presley, James Dean, Marilyn Monroe and all that stuff, which is more based on the 50s and the 60s. Obviously, when you come down, I encourage people to come and visit us, so they come to memory lane. It's a little bit of everything for everybody. I think in this environment that we have, everybody likes to visit this museum. As you can see, our museum is fully equipped with 3 elevators in the premises, and it's fully equipped for people with special needs.